In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I make a ground turkey and sweet potato skillet. What you will need is at least a pound of ground turkey. You can also use ground beef or ground chicken for your preference. This is about 1.5 pounds. I usually buy about 3 pounds of ground turkey at a time. I use a yellow bell pepper. I use 1 clove of garlic. I use an onion, yellow onion, and a yam, not a sweet potato. It's called a sweet potato skillet, but I actually use yams. I use regular salt to season the meat. This is basically like a sea salt that I use. And I like for my food to have a kick, so I use crushed red pepper. And the recipe calls for mozzarella cheese, but this is what I buy, the Sargento. It's shredded low moisture, part skim mozzarella and Parmesan cheese with crushed red pepper. This will be everything you'll need to make the skillet. Now, here you'll see me washing the bell pepper and the sweet potato. At this point, I am cutting the bell pepper. I use the entire bell pepper. I cut it up, I say in medium sizes, but you may want to cut yours smaller. You're going to end up using the bell pepper while, of course, you're cooking the meat. Now I am breaking up or chopping the garlic into, of course, very small pieces. And now I am cutting the onion. And I use about half the onion. And I cut them up in very thin pieces, but use the onion until you. So now I'm heating the skillet. I've added about a tablespoon of olive oil. I added the ground turkey along with the garlic, and I seasoned the meat with salt and pepper. You want to break that ground turkey up. So now you see me cutting the yams. I used 2 nice size yams. They weren't small, but they weren't super large. They're a decent size. And what I'll do, I got a bigger knife because they're pretty thick, is once they're peeled, remember to continuously stir your meat. But once those are peeled, the yams, I will cut those in half and then in half again. So I cut them in chunks. I usually cut them in decent sized chunks because when I'm cooking them, I want to know when they're done. My spoon will go through them. I am now adding the onions to the meat. You add the onions when the meat is about halfway done, and now you see me continuing to cut up and chop up my yams. Now I'm adding the chopped bell pepper to the ground turkey. I usually do this once it's about done. My pan is quite full, as you can see. I will finish chopping up these yams. I'm grabbing a bigger pan, and you want to make sure that the pan you use you can also put in the oven so that you can just use the one pan and melt the cheese. I'm pouring more olive oil because a bit of it stuck to the pan. My cast iron, it stuck to the cast iron. I added more seasoning. Now I'm adding my yams. Stir in well. I'm also adding about 1/4 of water. Stir and cover. I'm adding more red pepper flakes. Monitor and so once it's done, this is what it looks like. I would suggest you stir it. The bigger chunks, that's why I do some big ones. You want to make sure that your spoon can slice through the yams. Now, at this point, the oven is at 350. It's already heated. I take my cheese, and I use the whole bag, and I sprinkle the cheese all over. And I'm going to stick it in the oven. The oven is at 350, and I'll stick it in there until the cheese melts. It's been about 5-6 minutes, so I'm going to take it out of the oven, and that's what we got. And this is definitely what it's looking like. I like this because it's one skillet. It's easy to make. And it has a lot of really good flavor. This is what my bowl is looking like. Want to get some of everything on the spoon. And as a lot of people do, the first bite goes to you. But But no, this is really good. It's really flavorful. It's one of my favorite meals. It has a lot of different flavors that really mesh together. So if it's something you think you're interested in, give it a try. Good as usual. Enjoy.